Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your BMW X6 with its physical key. First, carefully find the small release button on your key fob to reveal the hidden metal key blade. Once you have the blade, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Give it a firm turn clockwise to manually unlock the door. This method is perfect if your fob battery is dead or the remote isn't working. After successfully gaining entry, you might wonder how to start the car if the fob battery is low. Simply place your entire key fob directly against the designated area near the steering column. This spot often has a small key symbol. With the fob in place, firmly press the start/stop button as you normally would. Your BMW X6 should now start, allowing you to drive. The physical key blade isn't just for the driver's door. You can also use it to manually open the trunk if the remote function isn't working. This is especially useful if you need to access the vehicle's battery, which is often located in the trunk of a BMW X6. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact battery location and jump-starting procedures. If you frequently encounter issues, consider replacing your key fob battery. It's a simple fix that can prevent many headaches. If problems persist, it's always best to consult a certified BMW service center for a thorough diagnosis. They can address any underlying electronic or mechanical issues. Also, for a fantastic way to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link for that and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.